So I'm now on the lower back machine, and the lower back machine, you can probably guess what muscles these work, the lower back muscles. So if you look at the diagram, it's highlighting, it's actually a muscle called the erector spinae, and it's the muscle that extends the spine, so straightens the back. We've got some adjusters, we've got our weight stack, so that obviously determines how much weight you're lifting. We've got an adjuster here, so you can start off in a nice flex position. And we've got an adjuster for this back pad here. So you want this resting across the, the top of your back or across the back of your shoulders. So that's actually a little bit low for me. So here, I've got a little adjuster, pull that out, and I can raise that up. It's better. Now you want to start off in a nice flex position. So as flexed as you can get. Which is about there for me. And I'm going to demonstrate. Okay, so trying to maintain good posture throughout. So I don't want to overload my lower back. I want to challenge it, but I don't want to overload it. I put my hands across my chest here because it stops me from cheating and using my arms. And all I do is just sit back and extend my spine. Lower that under control, flex it and extend. Now on the diagram, it doesn't actually show you any synergist muscles working. It just shows the lower back muscles. However, there are synergist muscles working. If you're doing this correctly, you will feel it in your oblique muscles and your abdominals as well, just stabilizing your spine. So it's a really good one for strengthening your torso, protecting your lower back. That's the lower back machine.